Alrighty team, up next we have our wall A skip. Now I apologise if a bit of noise is being made because I'm going to be jumping around and the mic might be doing its thing. So with our wall A skip, this is of course a variation in our normal running drills that we do, especially out on track. So when we come to set up, first probably cue that's most important, guys, is we don't want to be completely upright. It kind of defeats the purpose. What we want to do is we really want to try and push this wall over. So we want to get into a strong position where we're able to push over. Now this is going to help with the movement. Now, like with any running drill that we do, as we come up, team, we're making sure that we're trying to pull those toes up to the shin. When I go through the movement, I don't want to be lifting up and leaving that foot just hanging there like a dead limb. We want to make sure that as we're driving in, we're staying in that upright position, we drive down and come back up. So our wall A skip, we're going to be driving down and up. So we come down, slight movement, drive up. So the other foot just comes off the ground, but we're staying not, sorry, and the last thing I forgot to mention as well, making sure we're not starting flat-footed like I was when I was demoing their team. Stay up on the toes. So we're up on the toes, we're running the whole time. So we drive down, bang, quick change over, come up. So if we start to put it together, starting at the top, drive and come back up, bang, nice and tight, bang, nice and tight. It's a very, very quick movement. So that's our wall A skip team. You can really do it anywhere. Of course, if you're, say, out at the track and for whatever reason you are doing a wall A skip out at the track and not the real thing, you can use a bar. If the bar's a little bit lower, that's okay. Do with it what you can as best you can, but of course, we sort of want to be around that 45-degree position, give or take a little bit.